Here are the troubleshooting tips on Apple QuickPath Keyboard not working or unable to type using QuickType function. Here I am using QuickType on Message Keyboard app, but this will not work. Now check the keyboard settings, tap on Glob icon on the keyboard, go to Keyboard Settings. You will jump into Keyboard Settings, scroll to end and make sure Slide to Type is enabled. Here's disabled, so I can't use an Apple keyboard. Go back to the Settings app on iPhone, under Enable Slide to Type toggle and check Apple QuickPath is fine to use on Message app. Same like other social, mail app we can use QuickPath. Here's I am on WhatsApp chat and it's working fine for me after enable the keyboard settings Slide to Type toggle. Remove unused and other third-party keyboard apps from the Settings app. Tap Glob icon on keyboard and tap on Keyboard Settings. Now the first option is Keyboard. Here's all installed keyboard. Tap on Edit from top right corner of the screen and swipe right to left to delete or uninstall keyboard app from iOS device, and same for iPadOS. Try to hard reboot your iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button and down button one by one. After that only press and hold on side or power button until your iPhone goes black. Lift up side button, wait for 5 seconds, again press and hold the side button until Apple logo on the screen, that means the phone is turned on. For the iPad users have to learn how to convert iPad keyboard into floating keyboard using two-finger gesture and get out from floating keyboard. Pinch zoom in 2 fingers on a keyboard to float keyboard and pinch zoom out to back to normal. If QuickPath is not enabled under the settings, look into this for Settings app on iPad, then General and Keyboard. Here's scroll to down and enable the toggle slide on floating keyboard to type. Now go back to the floating keyboard and start using QuickPath on keyboard.